Namaskar students, I hope everyone can see and hear. So this is our 14th class, right? This is our 14th class. This is the 14th November and there is a special day today, right? So Children's Day. We celebrate as a birthday of Jawaharlal Nehru, right? Yes. So everyone, I wish happy Children's Day and I also wish happy birthday to Jawaharlal Nehru. So on his birthday we celebrate it as a Children's Day. Okay. So here, okay. So we will be solving today a complete set. Okay. So can you see here? This is the set 11. So we will be solving this. Okay. So you can see here. So first will be mental ability, and in that first part what it will be? It will be odd one out. It will be odd one out. So the first question, if you see, what is it? So what will be the answer? Tell me. So there are 4 questions. Tell me the answers for the 4 questions. So here, which is the different one in A, B, C, D? So odd one. So first will be odd one we have to find. That is or different one. We have to find the different. So which is a different figure here? Tell me in the 4 figures. So for the first figure, so if you see what is happening, so in here to here, what is the change? So the dot is in the corner, then it is here, and then middle, and then here, right? Okay. So if you see here, what it will be? Tell me. What is it? Okay. 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 Thank you. Yes. Okay. 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 So what will be the answer, students? Tell me for the first question. Yes. Okay. Huh. Okay. So here, so if you see in all the questions, so let us discuss the answers now. For the first one, so here there is a triangle, then circle, then into, then square, and then a line, right? Here everything in all that is the same, but here in option D there is a T symbol extra. That is a different one. T symbol is different, right? Yes. So that is why it is different. Option D is the different. Okay. So option D will be the answer, because here there is a line that became T. So that is why it is different. Okay. Okay, good. Now second one, if you see what is the answer here. So what is happening? So there is a dot, that is circle, colored circle, not colored circle, then square. Here there is a different figure. So in B option there is a triangle, right? So that is why answer B for the different one for the second. Okay, now let us see the third one. Tell me the answer here. So if you see here, there are three that is figures. Here there are three figures, right? So here also three, here also three figures. Okay, here four, here also four, here one, here two, and here how many? Five. Here also five. So which is different? So this is 3 3, same same same, but in C it is different. So for the third, C will be the answer. Okay, for now for fourth, so this is a mirror image. Okay, so here it is S. So mirror image, if you take, it will look like S, like this, and then F will look like this mirror image, and here P will look like this mirror image. W is a different one, right? W, if the mirror image of W, if you take, it will be W only. Okay, so that is why it became M. So that is the answer, option D for the fourth. Understood, everyone? So this is a first part of the mental ability, that is odd one out. So that is how you have to find the answers. So let us go to the part 2, that is second part. Okay, so let us see the part 2 now. Okay, so students, we know part 2 will be what? Similar figure. Similar figure. So we have to find which is the same figure. So identify the same figure and write the answers. So students, has everyone solved now? Yes? Okay. So the second one is same figure, we have to find, very easy, right? So here for the fifth question, which is the same figure, tell me? So if you see, so there are all diagonal lines. Okay, so in A it is not same, so not possible, and in B it is not same, D it is not, C is not same, D is the answer, right, for the fifth one. Now sixth question is here, their answers are given here. So here there are 3 dots, 2 dots, 1 dot. So which, if you see, the option C is the same figure, option C will be the answer. Now seventh question, what is the answer for the seventh, tell me? So here this is which is same figure, tell me? So it will be answer what? That is option A will be the answer. Yes, option A is the correct answer. So students, this is a practice set, extra practice sets. Okay, so it is not from the booklet, it is an extra practice set. Okay, okay, good. So that is answer A is the same figure. Okay, okay. Now let us do the eighth question now. So for the eighth, which is the similar figure, tell me? So for the eighth, if you see, the answer is option B. Yes, answer option B is the same figure for the eighth question. Okay, okay, good. So now should we go to the third part? In the third part, what it will be there? So we have to complete the figure. We have to complete the figure. So it is figure completion. So these are the questions. So these are the 4 questions, students. So do it and tell me the answer here. Okay. So figure completion. So third part, figure completion. Okay, so tell me the answers now. Okay, so let us see the answers for the ninth one. So which will complete this figure? So if you see, the line should come this way, right? So where it is, so in this it is not there, so the line joining should come like this, right? So there will be one figure here, and here it will complete the oval shape, and then we have to join this, right? So this is how the figure should come. So which, in which figure it is there? So not A, right? So not C, because this is not connected, and not a D. So answer is option B. Very easy, right? Okay, good. Now 10th question. So which figure will complete here? So if you see, there will be a right? So this is how it will go, okay? And then there will be a color here, right? There will be color here, and then there will be line here. So this is how it will look like, right? So which is the answer here? So that is the answer, option D, right? So that is answer, option D is the answer, because C, don't be confused, there is a extra line, different line, okay? So that is why it is different. So C is not the answer. So D is the answer for the 10th question. Now 11th question, if you see, so there is only one circle color, there are 4 circles, then this is down, this is right side, right, rotating up, and then left side. So it will be left side, means this is how it will look. So 1 2 3 and 4 total. So this is how it will look like. So which will be the answer, tell me? So this is the colored circle, then 1 2 3. So this is how it will look like, right? So which is the answer, option A here, okay? Okay, good. Now tell me the 12th answer, students. So everyone like the video, thumbs up, okay? Yes. So tell me the answer for the 12th question. What is the answer, tell me? Okay, so for the 12th one, if you see, this square will complete. So this square will complete means, okay, so this square will complete, this circle will also complete, there will be a line like this, right? So what you have to do, so this is how it will look like. So answer, if A is not possible, right, and then what, C is not possible, and D is also not possible, which is the answer, option B is the answer for the 12th one, okay? So this is the part 3 of the mental ability, that is figure completion. You can draw or you can go with options and identify. So let's go next question. So part 4 now. So in the part 4 it will be series. Part 4 will be what? Series, figure series, okay? So it will be figure series, okay? So if you see, one after the other we have to see. So what will be the next figure? So if you see what is happening, so this figure is rotated clockwise, okay? This figure is rotated clockwise. Next, again if you rotate clockwise, again if you rotate clockwise, so which figure will come next? Yes, so that figure will be option B, okay? So this figure will rotate 45 degree. So if it is rotated 45 degree, this will come in the middle. So that is why answer, option B is the correct, okay? So this will not be, arrow will not come, there will be square, okay? So this square is there, that will come down, means that is how it will be. So answer, option B for the 13th. Now let us go to the next 14th question. So if you see the 14th and the answers, 1 into mark, then there are 2 into marks, then 3, right? 3 lines, that is diagonal lines on the both sides, 3 diagonal lines, or that is 1 diagonal lines, then 2 diagonal lines, 3 diagonal lines, there should be 4, right? So next series will be 4. So if it is 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, right? So which will be the answer here? Option B, right? So answer will be, sorry, not B, option D will be the answer. Why? Because in B, here there are 4, but here there are only 3, not possible. So 4 and 4 should be there, right? So here 4 lines, here 4 lines. If you see, here 1 line, here 1 line, here 2 lines, here 2 lines, here 3 lines, there 3 lines. So that is why, so 4 lines means option D will come for the 14th. Now 15th question. So this is becoming, the dot is going next, right? So if you see, that is moving, okay? So if it is moving, so what answer will come for the 15th, tell me? Okay, so this is moving up and down, okay? So if it is, it will come down again. So next, so it is like this. So it was like this, then it became like this, okay? So it increased that side. So it rotated and then increase, then it rotated and then increase, then again it will rotate. So it will rotate, so we have to rotate here, okay? What you have to do? You have to rotate, okay, like this. You have to rotate, so then it will come like this, and then again if you rotate, okay, so if you rotate this, If you again rotate this, this will come. If you again rotate this, and there will be one extra line, right? So this is how it will look after rotation, and then there will be one extra line, right? So I am drawing that extra line with red color. So that extra line, so this is how it will look. So which is the answer for the 15th one? 15th one answer option D. Okay, don't be confused. So this is how it will look. Okay, so that is the answer option D. Or you can go with the colored circle. So this is right side, that is left side, then right side, left side, right side should be there. So this is that is left side, this is right side, this is left side, this is right side, right? So here if you see in the option A, right side, that is left side, not possible. This is right side, but here there is a extra line here, so not possible. And in D there are, that is in C, that is also left side, also extra lines, also not possible. This is right side and only one extra line, so that is why answer option D for the 15th one. Okay, okay, next here 16th question. So 16th question, if you see what is happening, the circle, that is a triangle and a hexagon, 6 sides, so they are moving up, outside and inside, right? So they are moving in and out. If they are moving in and out, there is a color part also, right? So this figure is moving in and getting colored, so this figure will move in and get colored, but the triangle will be reverse only. The bigger triangle will be same reverse only. Okay, so same reverse should come. So if it is reverse and the color is coming, so answer will be option C, that is B, sorry. So 16th one answer option B, reverse triangle. Okay, okay, good. So that's the answer for the 4th part. So that is 4th part will be figure series. Okay, will everyone be able to do? Okay, good. So now let us do the next question now, students. That is part 5. What will be the part 5? Figure analogy. Figure analogy. What it will be? Figure analogy. Okay, figure analogy. If you see in this figure, the plus sign is rotating. Plus sign is rotated. Here also we have to rotate it. If you rotate it, what will come? That will into will become plus. So into will become plus means that answer will be option B. Okay, so that is how it is rotating clockwise. So the colored part will be horizontal. The colored part will be horizontal. So that is why answer B will come, not C. Don't be confused with C. Okay, got it? Okay, good. So that is how it will rotate down. Okay, so then answer B will come. Now 18th question. So figure analogy. So if you see here to here, there are 4 sides, then here there are 3 sides, 2 figures of 3 sides. Okay, so same here 5 sides, so this next will be 1 less. So 4 less, 1 less means 3, 5 1 less means it will be 4. So it will be 4 sides, but there will be 2 figures, that is squares, there will be 2 figures, so option C will come. So option C is the answer for the 18th. Okay, okay, good. Now let us do the next, that is 19th question. What is the 19th here? So if you see here, so this is a triangle and there is a circle inside, right? They are connected, 2 circles are there. So what is happening, that plus sign is joining and the circle is going away. So same here, there is a square and there is a triangle and there is an inside triangle. So this triangle will go away and become plus, that is the sign. Okay, so that is why answer option A for the 19th. Okay, answer option A for the 19th. Now 20th question. So here if you see, one triangle is there inverted and then there is a small triangle here. Okay, so what is happening? So this will get inverted. So this will get inverted, right? And then same smaller will come and then it will get inverted means, so this is how it will look like. This is how it will look like. So answer option A will come. Answer option A, invert, that is reverse. This is reverse. Okay, so this is same and this is reverse. So if you reverse it, so that is how it will look like. Okay, so that is how it will look like. Okay, so that is answer option A will come. Got it? 20th question. That is, this is the part 5. This is the part 5. So part 5 is figure analogy. We have to see first and second relation. Same relation we have to apply for the third and fourth question, right? So this is first and second. third and fourth figure. So that is first and second same relation, we have to apply third and fourth figure. Okay, okay, good. So should we see the next part 6 here? So what is the part 6? We have to complete the figure completion. That is, figure completion means that is geometrical figure completion. What? Geometrical figure completion. So first figure, if you see, it is look like a triangle, right? This is, if you join it, it will look like a triangle. So if it is a triangle, tell me what will be the answer. Type in the comments. Yes, yes, everyone is typing. Very good. So it will look like what? That is the answer option A. It will look like answer option A, because here it is a little sharp, right? So it is blunt, here it is not possible. So not B, C, D, only option A for the 21st question. Now option, what is the answer for the 22? Tell me. Yes, students. So for the 22, so if you join in here, it will look like a W. It will look like W. So which will be the answer? This is little big. This is a little big. So not possible. So C is not possible. Little different. D is also not possible. What will be the answer? Option is option. Okay, no. Option B will not come. Answer option A will be the answer, right? Answer option A is the answer. So this is little more. This is big. Not possible. That extra. So that is answer option A for the 22. Okay, answer option A for the 22. 23rd. So this is a circle. We have to complete it. So if you complete this circle, so what is the figure you will get? Tell me what figure you will get. So that is answer option D for dog, right? Answer option D we will get for the 23rd. So that is how it will look like. So this figure is here. Okay, okay, good. Now 24th is also a square. So if you join the square and complete it, it will look like this. Yes. So what will be the answer here? Tell me. So the answer will look like as option B. Answer option B here. Okay, so that is how the inside part will come. So that is answer option B for the 24th. Okay, okay, good. So this is how you have to do. Will everyone be able to do geometrical figure completion? That is part 6. Part 6 will be what? Tell me. Part 6 will be geometrical figure completion. Okay, okay, good. Now let us do the next part, part 7. So what is the part 7 answers here? Tell me the answers, students. So the first one, it is a mirror image. You can see and directly tell mirror image. Okay, mirror image. Okay, so that is the part 7. So here if you see, this is how the square will come same, right? This line is there, right? This line will go this way. Okay, so that is how, because it is going towards the mirror means this will go towards the mirror. Okay, so that is how it will look like. Okay, understood? So I will take the other color. So this is going down, right? So if you see here, so that is how it will look. Okay, that line will come this way means that is will come join this way, right? So that is why it will look like this. So with this only you can tell the answer. With this only you can tell the answer. Okay, and one more thing. So this, if you join it here, okay, so that is about only line. So next, if you join this, so this line will come like this. Okay, so the triangles will look like this. Okay, okay, so what will be the answer here? Option D will be the answer for the 25th. Answer will be D for the answer 25th, not C. Don't be confused. You can tell directly B and A are not possible because they are looking like a same, right? So this line will get reversed. Okay, that is flip. So 26th answer. Tell me the 26th here. Okay, you can see now. So 26th question is here and the answers are here. So if you draw the figure here, it will look like this. Okay, it will look like this. So this is near, this will be near. Okay, okay, so that is why it is coming here. Okay, and then the blank part will come first and then the colored part will come, then the colored part will come here. Okay, okay, so here this will be colored part, it will look like this, that is away from the mirror. Okay, so which is near, this will be near and this will be near. Okay, that is how it will look. So you have to flip it, you have to flip it like this, you have to flip it like this. Okay, so that is 26th answer will be what? Answer will be option C. Answer will be option C. Okay, other answers you can check, it will not come down, this is down, the color part is down, not possible. This is also below, that is down or below, not possible. In D, what is happening? This line is down below, this line is below, that is not possible, right? So this line is up, the straight line is up here, so here this is line is below, right? This line is below means that is not possible, the horizontal line. Okay, so that is why it is not the answer for the 26th. So only C is the correct. Now date, we have to see the mirror image. What is the date mirror image? E is there, right? E will come like this, and then T will be same, and then A will be same, and then D will look like this. Okay, so because the round part is near the mirror, so we have to go from the mirror. So E will come first, and then this is how it will look like. Okay, so ETAD, ETAD. A in option A, that is D is same, it will be reverse flip, so that is not possible. Okay, so D should be like this, right? Rounded part should come first and then the straight line. Okay, yes, okay, so that is why not A answer here. If you see ETAD, ETAD option B is the correct. Yes, that is the answer, not C, not D also. Okay, so for the 27th, B is the correct answer. Okay, okay, good. So next let us go to the 28th question here. So A, B, C is there, right? So here it will look like the same. Okay, okay, so A will come same, B, so C is first, so C will be here. Okay, C will be reversed flip, so C will come then, and then B will come. Okay, B will also be reversed, so this is how it should look, this is how it should look. So C will be first, so C and then B and then A, so that is answer option A will the correct one, right? So B will not come first, which is near the mirror, so that will stay near the mirror only, right? So that is C is near the mirror, so C will be the answer here first. So B, it is not possible. Then in C, it is same, C is the same, it will be flip, not possible. Okay, so that is not the answer. And in D also, if you see, B is the same, that is why not the answer. So A only the answer. Okay, so for the 28, little difficult you may feel, but you go one by one with the option, you will get the answer easily. Okay, so that is how you have to do the mirror images, the 28th question. Understood everyone? Okay, good. So this is how you have to do. So now part 8. Part 8 is what? Tell me. Figure, that is paper folding and cutting. Paper folding and cutting. So part 8 is paper folding and cutting. So paper folding and cutting. Okay, so you see the questions now. So this is folded below, this is a rectangular paper folded below, and again it is folded from this side. So there is a just a small mark, you can see here, there is just a small mark here. If that is the small mark, so how to do here? So that if you, this is, now let us go reverse. So this we will open, so this we will open, y1 we will open means, if you open this side, okay, if you open this side, there will be one more mark here. Okay, and then again we have to open up, you have to open it up. Okay, so these two, if you open up, there will be two marks here, there will be two marks, so total 4 marks will come. So 4 marks means option is which? Option B is the correct one. Or you can go easily with the option A is not possible, because in the, on the longest line, that is on the longest line, there will be nothing here, so this is not possible. Okay, So in here it is also there, not possible. In inside it is not come. So D is not the answer, C is not the answer, only B is the answer. You go with the options always, it will be very easy. Okay, okay, good. Now let us do the 30 question, students. So what is the 30 answer, tell me? So 30 question, if you see, we have to open it up. So this is folded this side and this side, right? If you open it up, this you open it up, okay, and this also you have to open it this side. So that is a triangle, right? This triangle will come like this, okay, in this. So if you open it up, there will be one line here, okay, so there will be one more line here, okay. So I will draw it, okay, I will draw it. This fold is there, right? Yes, sir. Huh. ಹೌದಾ, okay, ಮಾಡಿ. So this fold, if you open it up, so there will be this triangle, the bigger one. So if you open it up, okay, so there is this, right? Okay, so if you open it up here, there will be like this. So there will be a diamond inside, there will be a diamond inside. So not B will be the answer, not D also, okay. Diamond will come means, so that will not be the answer, okay. So B and D are gone. Now one more thing, one more thing. So this, in A, this diamond will be very flat, that diamond is very flat, so not the answer, okay. That diamond is very flat, that is why not the answer. And one more, this is like a rectangle, that is rectangle, right? Not possible, that will look like a, that is what, that will look like a what is the triangle, okay. Wedge will look like a triangle, can you see there? This is a triangle, that if it goes up, that triangle will come like this, right? Only the triangle will come. What will come? Only the triangle will come, okay. So that is how it will be. So there will be a triangle, okay. So that is how it will look like, okay. So I am not drawing all, so just remember this. So there will be one triangle, so that is why answer option C for the 30 question, okay. Okay, good. I hope everyone understood this. You can watch this video again in the YouTube and see it repeatedly to understand, okay. So very easy, just we have to little bit go with the option, always go with the options, don't do, okay, go with the options. So here there are 5 dots, here there are 5 dots. So this you have to open it. So this is one, right? So if you open it this side, there will be only coming this side, that will be coming only this side. So B is not the answer, right? There is an extra here apart from 5, that is also not the answer. So here there are what, one extra here also, right? So there is a missing here, so that is not the answer. Which is the answer? Option D for the 31st. Answer D, right? Okay, okay, good. So next 32 figure, what is it? So if you open it, so this down and this is this side. If you open, so here this is how it is folded. The parts are folded like this, right? Okay, let me draw it. So these are the folds. So this side, this came inside, right? This also came inside, this also came inside, this also came inside. Now if you open it up, if you open it up, that circle will be half here, those circle will be half. So in A it is not possible, this circle will come here also, and inside B there is nothing, okay, that is why not the answer. And in D it is not the answer because this is half circle, right? So which is the answer? Option C is the answer, very easy, right? So that is full circle here, so that is the answer, okay. So option is option C. This is how you have to go with options and do it. So this is which, this is part 8, this is part 8, that is paper folding and cutting, okay. Okay, good. Now let's do the next, that is part 9th. Part 9 is we have to what, make the figure, space visualization, space visualization, okay, or joining the figures, or joining the figures. So to make, okay, so if you join these figures, option that is 33, which will be the option here? So there are two lines, one triangle and one circle. So which is the answer? Option A, right? That is the answer, option A for the 33. Okay, not B, not possible. C is also not possible. D is also not possible. So now 33, if you see, there are three lines here, three lines here, one line here. Okay, so that is 3 3 and 1. So 6 and 1 7, there will be 7 lines. So if you see, in A there are only 5 lines, and in D there are only 6 lines. In B, if you count, 1 2 3 4 5 6 lines, that is also not possible. Here in C, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 lines. So what is the answer? Option C is the answer. So that is why, because there are 7 lines, you have to count like this. Okay, okay, good. Now 35th, tell me the answer, students. So 35th, if you see, there are 2 lines and one more line. So 2 and 1, 3 lines. So total 3 lines. Okay, so 3 lines. So here total 7 lines. Okay, so here 3 lines means, so if you see option A, there are how many lines? There are more than 3. So in D, it is the answer, because one line here, this one, and this one second, and this one the third line. So 3 lines. So that is the answer, option D. There are no lines in C. There are more than what? Here, if you see, this one, if you take, then 2, then 3, then 4 lines, not possible. Here also, this one, if you take, then 2, then 3, then 4 lines, so not possible. So 3 lines figure is 35, D option. Okay, so that is the answer for the 35th. Now 36th question, if you see, the same, that is space visualization, that is joining the figures. So let us do the 36th. Okay, so if you join them, what will be the answer? So there are what? So answer will be option C, right? Very easy. So okay, option C or option A, what will be the answer? Okay, it can be both, actually. It can be both. Okay, so it can be both answer, that is A or C. Okay, because there is a rectangle here, there are two, one triangle, then one quadrilateral, 4 sides. Here there are 2 triangles, right? So that is why it can be A or C. It can be A or C. Understood? Okay, now let us go to part 10. Part 10 is what? Hidden figures, embedded figure or hidden figure. Okay, embedded or hidden figure. So part 10 is hidden or embedded figure. Okay, let us do now. So 37, so where it is hidden? If you see clearly, you will get option C, right? So it is hidden in the option C. So this is where it is. Okay, so this is here, there, right? And then there are 2 lines. Okay, it is hidden in the option C, the 37 question. Okay, okay, good. So next here 38. So this figure is in which figure? Tell me. So this is here. So 38, tell me the answer here. It is hidden in which figure? So you can directly get easily. Okay, you can easily get the answer. Option B it is. Okay, answer option B, because these are diagonal lines. So there is only one here, so not possible here. This is not a diagonal, like that is a horizontal lines, right? So in D also horizontal line, not possible. Only B is the answer here. It is hidden, right? There is this diagonal line, this one diagonal line, there is a triangle here. Okay, that is the answer, option B. 39th, tell me the answer. It is hidden in which figure? Yes. that is in option A, right? Okay, so that is, if you see here, okay, so that is answer option A for the 39. Okay, 40 question. So what is the answer for the 40 question? So that is answer option A. So answer option A for the 40. Okay, got it? So that is how you have to do the answer for the 40. So this is about the mental ability. So this is how you have to solve the question, students. Okay, so thank you for watching, and we'll see you tomorrow. Okay, so we solved the practice set of for mental ability. So the 10th part is hidden, and the 9th part is space visualization, and then 8th part is paper folding and cutting, and then 6th part is what, that is 7th part is mirror images, and then 6th part is figure completion, geometrical figure completion, you have to join them, and 5th part is figure analogy. Okay, and then 4th part is figure series, and then 3rd part is figure completion. Okay, and then 2nd part is figure similar figures, and then first part is odd one figures. Okay, different one. So this is how you have to do and solve this. You can watch this video again and practice. Okay, okay, good. So we'll see tomorrow, students. Once again, happy Children's Day, and it is a your day. You should enjoy this and also prepare for Navodaya to get selected. Keep a target, and that should be achieved. Alright, so you have to achieve your target, and you will get the future ready. Thank you.